In today's video, I will walk you through how to filter Deribit options expiries to find the best contracts. Start by navigating to the options section from the top main navigation bar in your Deribit account. Once you're there, select the underlying crypto asset you want to view, such as BTC, ETH, or SOL. After selecting your asset, look at the top of the options chain matrix. You will see a horizontal timeline that displays all available expiration dates. This ribbon lets you quickly control which expiries are shown in the options chain. If you want to view a single expiry, simply click on the specific expiration date you want. The options matrix below will immediately update to display only the call and put contracts for that expiration date. If you want to compare multiple expiries, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking different dates on the timeline. This allows you to isolate 2 or 3 specific expiration dates and display them together. If you want to return to the full list of expiries, click the All button located on the far left side of the timeline ribbon. This will display every available expiration date again. If the timeline becomes crowded, you can narrow it down further using the expiry category filters located above or next to the ribbon. These filters let you display expiration dates based on their timeline groups. You can enable the daily or weekly category to view short-term expiries. You can switch to monthly to display the monthly expiration dates. You can also choose quarterly to view the March, June, September, and December expiries. Once you have filtered the expiration dates you want, you may still see a long list of strike prices. To reduce the number of contracts displayed, use the matrix settings. Locate the strike filter dropdown, which is usually labeled Strikes All. Open the dropdown and choose to display only 10, 20, or 40 strikes centered around the current market price. This removes deep out of the money and deep in the money contracts from the view. As you move through different expiration dates, pay attention to the open interest column. Look for expiries with higher open interest, since that indicates more market participants are active for that expiration cycle. Also check the volume column. Make sure the daily volume is not 0. Expiries with active volume provide contracts where buyers and sellers are already participating, making it easier to find the contracts you want. By combining the expiry timeline, category filters, strike filters, the near-the-money view, and checking both open interest and volume, you can quickly narrow the options chain and focus on the contracts that best match your selection. Thank you for watching.